Every spin of your ceiling fan moves more than just air. Cast-Light ceiling fan filters turn your fan into a quiet, efficient air purifier. Made with activated coconut shell carbon, each filter captures dust, smoke, and VOCs through its ultra-porous surface. Just peel and stick. Fits any ceiling fan blade. No tools needed. From homes to small offices, these filters quietly freshen the air where you live, work, and rest. Cleaner air, simple design. Cast-Light ceiling fan filters. Smart protection for every space.